Hello guys, today we cook the python. We watched already the short. Yesterday I went to Tomohon, street market, and I bought 1.5 kilogram of python. Because the python meat is between fish and chicken, I decided to deep fry it. I was waiting to make this recipe until I reach 500,000 followers here on the channel to celebrate it, but the channel, instead of growing, is going down. So I want to ask you why. Please let me know through the comment if the video that I posted you like it or not, or what you want to see on my channel, because I cannot understand why, if we are 435,000, when I post a video only 2,000, 3,000 people watch it. I don't know if the problem is me, or maybe now that they create shorts, instead of watching my video you watch only shorts. Let me know. After this said question, let's go ahead with the recipe. See you after the intro. First of all, we should remove the skin, that is really spectacular. And also I am a little bit sorry to throw it, because maybe from this you can make a wallet, and from this key keeper. And plus we need to remove not only the skin but also the bones, because the python have the bones inside. Skin remove is really spectacular design. I'm very sad to throw it away. Sorry for the noise and the light, that is very sad, but outside is raining again very heavy, like the British say, is raining cat and dog. Now I will remove the fillet, the meat from the bones, and put a little bit of wine, because smell a little bit of wild animal. This is the leftover from honey wine and rice wine. Like I said, you to keep it, and you can use it for cooking. Now we take flour, egg, bread crumble, and we deep fry our python. Flour, egg, and crumbled bread. If you want, there is also alternative: flour, egg, and sesame seed. we can say spectacular, but for the experience, because the taste is like a chicken. Nothing we can say special. But if you want to try the serpent or the python, you can do it. The taste is good like the chicken. I also drink it with the homemade rice wine. It's a good match. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave a like, to watch and share this video with your friends, and please answer to my question: why you are not watching my video anymore? Bye bye. Other advice: cut the pieces smaller because it's a little bit chewy. But the taste is very good. Bye bye.